Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. I've got an interesting gist for you from the Ultimate Love Pad. Ville says nobody should bring any nonsense friendship to me outside the love pad. It appears one of the Ultimate Love reality television show contestants, Ville, is not taking it lightly with other couples in the love pad that have been nominating them for possible checkout over time. Remember that Ville is up for possible checkout this week alongside Roxy, Presh David, Ikrisa and Obiebi. Ville and his partner Chris are up for possible checkout, and they were discussing ahead of the live show yesterday. Ville, who is obviously fed up with other couples nominating them most of the time, said most of the people in the house are just pretending. He said once they leave the house, he would not want to keep any friend. Nobody should come to me with any nonsense friendship, he said. He continues, if you nominate me one time or two, it is understandable, but doing that over and over does not make any sense. Ville, calm down, this is just a game, just relax, okay? I'm happy that yesterday you guys were able to reconcile, and everybody spoke out their mind, and there was peace in the love part. I pray that continues, and outside of the love part, I'm sure you still pick one or two persons as friends, so relax, okay? So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.